Okay, we have a Ford Taurus 2013 to 2020. The battery is a CR2032. First, you're going to start by pushing the button over. Use the key to twist. If that does not work, grab yourself a small screwdriver and just slightly pry on the side. Not too hard, you do not want to break it. Once you get it a little bit open, move to the next side and do the same as what you saw. Once it gets removed, there's your battery. Now again, this one is a CR2032. Be very careful to that little clip there. You do not want to damage that. That is a spring clip. It keeps the battery in there nice and tight. Go ahead, remove the old battery, put the new one in. Make sure it's firmly down. This is a very easy, snaps right back together. Once it's snapped back together, reinsert the key, and that is how you replace the key fob battery on a 2013 to 2020 Ford Taurus. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.